Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math, we've been learning about subtraction, and we're also reviewing addition. We remember that subtraction is to take away, and addition is to add to put more, okay? So today we're going to review one more and one less of certain numbers. What number is one more, and what number would be one less? And we're going to take a look at these four numbers. We're going to use our number line, and then afterwards we're going to do a quiz. Just like we did yesterday. Yesterday was one less subtraction, and today we're going to do one more for addition, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So we have our number line, as I mentioned here, 1 through 10. This helps us to see what's one more, one less. You can always use your fingers on your hands to go ahead and take a look as well, just in case you don't have a number line in front of you, but this is helpful when you have it right here. So let's take a look at the first one. What number is that? That's right, that is 5. Okay, so what number is one more than 5? All right, boys and girls, so let's go ahead and start with this number 5, and here is the 5. So what number is one more than 5? 6, very good. Go ahead and write 6. And let's go ahead and just see what number is one less than 5. Good, 4. Very good. All right, boys and girls, let's do the last three numbers together here. What number is one more than 9? Here's 9. 10. Very good. And now, oops, a little close to that one, but there we go. What number is one less than 9? 8. Very good. 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do this one. What number is one more than 2? 3. Very good. And what number is 1 less than 2? 1. There it is. 1, 2, 3. How about 4? What number is 1 more than 4? That's right. That's 5. Take a look at that number line up there and tell me what number is 1 less than 4. That's right. That is 3. All right, boys and girls. Very good. Now, we're going to put that into practice, and on the link below this one, you're going to see this game here. We are going to do addition patterns of one more, and we're going to, at the bottom here, select your name. You see all the students' names, and Ms. Purcell's class is first, and then Mr. Machaca's class is second. And then you're going to click on the name, click on the activity here, and then we're going to see what is one more than.
Match each addition fact to its answer.
And I'm going to go ahead and start with the first one here. 2 plus 1. What is 1 more than 2? 3. Very good. I'm going to match it here. Good. And then how about 1 plus 1? What's 1 more than 1? Now let's say, now we know that it's very good. It's 2. Let's say that we put the wrong answer. What's going to happen? I'm going to put 5. That's not correct, but the right answer is 2. Very good. All right, boys and girls, so you're going to match all of them up, and then it will take you to a higher level, and we can keep learning more about addition. As we're learning about subtraction, we're learning about addition as well. All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me today for math.